This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Levy. This corner lot dining room Horton home nestled in the Etowah subdivision offers a seamless blend of comfort and style. Inside, discover a thoughtfully designed split floor plan boasting an expansive living room, kitchen, and dining area bathed in natural light. Ceramic tile floors grace the main living spaces, while plush carpeting adds warmth to the bedrooms. Outside, residents can enjoy a wealth of community amenities, including a sparkling swimming pool, tennis and basketball courts, and a playground, all for a nominal monthly HOA fee. Moreover, residents have exclusive access to Etowah's private community fishing pier on Lake Eustis, adding to the allure of the sought-after neighborhood. Conveniently located near downtown Tavares, Eustis, and Mount Dora, this home offers both comfort and convenience in a desirable locale. For more information, review the details below.